Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite winter nail polish shades. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. This is not the video I was planning on doing. It is Christmas Eve when you're watching this. So I'm wearing my Merry sweatshirt. I will link it below. It's going to obviously be past Christmas by the time you guys would get it, but they have so many good graphic sweatshirts and t-shirts, so maybe there will be something else that you like on the site, so I will link it anyway. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful beginning to the holiday if you celebrate, and if you don't, I hope you're just having a wonderful beginning to your day. We're going to talk about winter nail polish shades. I just did my review and swatch video of the Essie Gel Couture winter collection, and I realized that I never shared my favorite winter shades. So that's what we're gonna do today. I will link all of them down below in the bottom bar if you're interested in any of them. I also have swatches on my color wheel per usual, and I'm also gonna try and find a photo of each color because I did not have time to swatch all of them on my hands, although I've worn all of these a million times. This isn't a review video, these are my favorites and they're tried and true and I love them. So that is what this video is. So let's hop into the shades. First up is Matter of Fiction. Also, all of these are Essie Gel Couture. I've mentioned before that this is basically the only nail polish that I wear. Sometimes I'll wear an OPI shade, but that's few and far between. So Essie Gel Couture is my go-to. So all of these are from that collection. This is Matter of Fiction. This is what I wore on my wedding day. This is my go-to shade. I wear it year round. It will make every favorite summer nail polish shade video as well as winter. It does not matter what season it is, this shade works. It's the perfect light pink, almost white shade. It has great opacity. You do have to build it up, but it goes on beautifully and it stays. It also doesn't yellow. I hate when they yellow. So this is what it looks like. This is one coat and two coats. And it's just the most beautiful, like pinky, almost white shade. I just am obsessed with it. So this is my all-time favorite shade ever. And I also know that I've gotten quite a few of you hooked on this shade. I get messages about it basically anytime I'm wearing this shade and somebody asks me what it is and I share it on my Instagram stories. So many of you are like, oh my gosh, that's my favorite shade now too. Next is Stitch by Stitch. I actually just mentioned this in my empties video. I'm so glad that I still had the bottle of it, but I need to grab a new one because this one is like low, and because of that, it's kind of like goopy. So the swatch I feel like is not perfect because I really had to struggle to get paint out. I actually tipped the bottle over and let some drip out and then painted it onto the swatch wheel. So it's not the best, but the formula, if you're painting it from a bottle that actually has a lot left, it is beautiful. It's creamy and I love this shade. Again, for summer, winter, fall, spring, does not matter. This is like the perfect pinky mauve shade. It's not too bright, it's not too light, it's not too dark. It's just a really good everyday shade. It works no matter the season and I just love that. I love a versatile color that I could pick this color up any day of the week and I would be happy to wear it. Both of these shades are also shades that if you're not super into like a bright nail, these would be beautiful on you. I almost forgot to show you. This is one coat and this is two coats. You might be able to see that it's a little bit like goopy on the swatch, but it really is beautiful. Next is Drop the Gown. I want to say this is from the collection from over the summer, but I could be wrong. Either way, this is a beautiful like berry red shade. I think that it's perfect for the holidays, but it's also just perfect for any time. This is a great summer color. It really works during the fall. It's that like deep, rich color that I think is great for the fall when all the trees are turning, and then it works great through the holiday season and into the winter. So this is a great, again, like all around shade. I wouldn't wear this necessarily in the spring and maybe like early summer, but other than that, I would wear this quite often throughout the year. And again, it is like a nice berry red. So one coat and two coats. You can tell when it has just the one coat that it does definitely have that red undertone to it, and then it goes into a deeper maroony berry color. So absolutely beautiful. Cannot say enough good things about this, and this goes on so smoothly. And then we're going to the dark side. I have two shades that I just love for winter. This is Gala-Vanting and this one is a my second to deepest shade. It's a really nice deep purpley maroony color. When you see it on here, you can see when there's one coat and it's not fully opaque, you can kind of see the color of it a little bit better. And then obviously it goes opaque to a deeper shade, but it's just this nice purpley color. I love the dark color. It's so pretty for fall and winter. This is just one of my go-to shades. And then the other one is in Model Clicks, and this is a little bit deeper. I'm just gonna show you the bottles side by side because they do look similar when you have two coats on, but as you can see, Gala-Vanting is a little bit lighter than Model Clicks is. Model Clicks is like the Lincoln Park After Dark, which is OPI of the Essie Gel Couture line. So this is one coat and this is two coats. As you can see, it's that deep, deep purple, almost black, but not black. And you almost feel like when you're looking at a swatch or looking at it on your hands that it looks black, but if you've ever actually painted your nails black, the difference is definitely there. I can't go all the way black. I just think that for some reason it looks weird on my skin tone, but I can do the like deepest purple, almost black. It's weird. I don't know if it's just like the undertone thing or what, but this is just such a perfect winter shade. And then I have one runner up. It's what I have on my nails right now, and this is in Rock the Runway. This is the most perfect holiday red. I don't think I'd necessarily wear this all winter long, but because the holiday season is, you know, a month or two, depending on how long you want to celebrate it for, I think this is a great shade to have in your collection. Also, if you just love a good red nail, I think this would be great for like 4th of July. There's so many times that you just want a really good red polish. So I did want to mention this because my collection would not be complete without it. I actually got this year. I had a different red from the OPI line and I switched over and found the perfect red from Essie this year, which I'm so happy about it. So this is what it looks like, and here is what it is like on. And again, this is two coats. I think that this shade in particular, like these bright red shades, are hard to get opaque. And I had a couple from OPI that were almost watery and sheer. It was really hard to get the opacity up. And with this one, two coats and it's fully opaque, which I'm so happy about. So if you need a red in your collection, this is it. And this is what it looks like on the color wheel, one coat and then two coats. Again, you can see the opacity after the two coats. You can definitely tell that I stay in like the pinks and reds. That's just my comfort zone in general. I think it's what looks best on me. It's what I'm most comfortable in. It's kind of the colors that I wear the most. Hello. So I just think that that's my personal style. So when I'm talking about my favorite shades, they're going to generally be in the pinks and reds, warmer color category. And these are the best of the best that I have tried. I hope that one of them works out for you. If you have a hole in your collection and you're looking for something, again, I will link all of them down below. I would love to know what your go-to winter shade is. Do you stay light? Do you go dark? Are you into brights? Do you go like full deep navies and forest greens? What do you do? Let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.